The first task is really just getting your feet wet in Excel. If you're familiar with Excel, then this whole first assignment and part of the second assignment will be pretty familiar. But for some folks, we're going to start from scratch. And here we're going to walk you through some basic Excel skills. We're going to start with some basic formatting, and we're going to use tables for that. But we walk you through step by step by step, and all you need to do is just to follow those steps and watch the videos if you don't know how to do these things. Some basic Excel skills. And at the very end of the first task, we're going to do some things that you may remember if you've had statistics. We're going to classify some variables as quantitative or categorical, and then decide on the measurement scale. Next, we go into the next section. It's still more formatting, but it's more sophisticated formatting, and it's some skills that you need to have, because the big thing about analysis is communicating results. And if you don't communicate your results effectively, then your analysis may not really be meaningful. Formatting helps you to do your analysis, and also if you have to share your workbook with people, help them to understand what you did. The next assignment, we're going to get into some more complex Excel skills. Again, we have how-to videos on everything. We're going to use some formulas, count-ifs, and sum-ifs, very powerful tools that you will find useful in your career going forward. And then the last part of the assignment, we're going to get in some more sophisticated tools as well, something called VLOOKUP and some more formulas. I think if you've never used Excel before, you'll find this challenging, but I think we've got the help you need to get through this assignment. And remember to reach out and ask for help if you run into a snag.